How to fix this Apple ID is not active. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix this Apple ID is not active. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the primary solution for this issue is resetting your password. To reset your password, you can visit Apple ID's website or you can simply head over to iforgot.apple. So let's type in iforgot.apple.com and hit enter. Doing that, you should be on Apple's page. Now, this page is not working for some reason. So let's head over to Apple's support. And on your Apple support, what you can do is you can simply reset your Apple ID. Tap on Apple ID on the bottom, and then you can log in into your account. So let's do that here. My bad. Let me just tap on forgotten Apple account password. After you tap on it, you can then see resetting your password on web. You can go through all this and do that, but let's reset it from the web itself. And after you tap on reset from web, you will see iforgot.apple.com. Head over to that website again. And here, now it's working for some reason. Let's tap on reset password and tap on after you tap on reset password, simply type in your email address or phone number associated to your account. Then type in your current password if you don't, well, if you know your password. If you don't know it, you can simply reset it using your email address, which is associated to your account. After you reset your password, your Apple ID should be active again. And that's how you fix this. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye bye.